so I broke this again. Who knew? What I did. You see it? Look. This piece. And this this bearing thing. Not bearing, but you know, this thing. That came out of that. Can't see shit. There you go. See? You see what's going on. It's not supposed to look like that. I'm gonna fix that. Alright? Cool. I'm gonna fix it. Just hold on one second. Yeah, so like I said, gotta fix it. I gotta take off this microphone. Hold on. That sound better? Yeah, that probably sounds better. Yeah. So, can you see what happened? Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. Yeah. Bear with me. I don't know why, but I didn't set up a stand, so I'm holding this thing. So now I gotta go that way. So hold on. Now I gotta get this thing in here. Yeah, I'm gonna get this and pull off the tire. I'll be back. Got a thing. There's a tire, but it's hard to do with one hand and holding this thing here. So hold on, okay? One sec. Hold on. I usually have a thing to put this in, the magnetic tray thing. So I got it off. Just one sec. Tray thing it's there. It's off. So as you can see, that's a problem. Gotta find out how to get this thing off. Hang on while I figure this out, okay? This is gonna be a very short video. I'm only a few seconds in and I keep pausing this thing. Hold on a sec. Cool. Okay. This goes in there. Now twisting. Alright, so twistity twist. Oh, shit. Yeah. I'll be back. You don't want to watch me twist it, right? I'll be back. Alright, so this is off now. So let me figure out how to get this in here. Alright, again, I'm using one hand, so I can't, you know, I'm not Goro. It's Mortal Kombat reference, if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I can't do that all one. I'm back now. This, I use this hex, number 5. And I took out this guy here. And this guy here. And now, I'm gonna put this guy in there. Just like that. Good. Now, I'm gonna put this back in. And this will go back in. Oh, try my, oh shit, okay. So it's another one hand thing I can't do, so yeah, just give me a sec, alright? So I'm getting my one handed off. Man, gotta stop saying those things. Anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. I'm using this hex tool to drive this back into here while getting bit by mosquitoes in my shop. So I'm gonna turn this off, kill this mosquito that's draining my neck, and continue doing this. Alright, right back. Oh, I forgot to put the dog bone in, and I got to back it back out, and I'm currently putting it back in. Okay, yeah. Let me line this up. Well, let's see. Let's see if you can feel my pain in this struggle with one hand. Alright, just give me a second. Shit. Okay, come on. Shit now. Okay, alright, cool. Alright, I did it. Cool. Alright, let me get this in. Cool. And let me start. Get this guy back in. Come on. Alright, so here's where I gotta put this down again. One sec. We're back. All done. All done. Yeah, so that was it. Alright guys, later. Okay. Yeah. That was it. So quick little one there. Back to one hand, might do some little adjustments here. But anyways, that was a not so bad crash. Cool. to the next one. Later.